I normally use a baby toothbrush on my other cat. Oh well, Animal, your mouth is so little. Yeah, I know. Let's try the other side. Okay, let you lick it. He's like, no. He's like, nope. Wait, why are you on the bed, Bullseye? You are not helping. Sometimes it's hard to film because I have all these animals. I also have 10 birds, 7 ducks, 3 annoying chickens. So make sure you follow if you want to see some more crazy animals being cute. Right, Luke? You are not allowed on the bed. What? You get down! Get down! Get down! You are not allowed up there. Daddy comes in and sees you up there, he's gonna be mad. You better get down, Bullseye. Good boy. Yeah, you have your own lazy boy. Shake. Shake my hand. Can you not aim? Shake. Get off the bed! You are not allowed up there. Hey, Bullseye! Get down! Get down! You're freaking the cat out. Bullseye, get down! Get out here. You're not. What? So he normally never goes on the bed, but now he thinks he owns the place. If you guys want to see more of my animals, make sure you follow.